Alright guys, we're all wrapped up with our anchor patches. Here's the post, which is going to be a brace for the new towers that are coming up. So they're going to replace these towers, the towers over there, and what these are acting, but they're going to be anchor braces. So we plug this in here, anchored it to the concrete rooftop, and then install the ISO board. And here's the patch, which actually this has 3 layers. There's one patch under here, there, this patch, then there's that patch, and then there's a ring patch, which is the flashing, and then a tightener. This thing is pretty sealed up. That's it right there, guys. We have another one over on this side as well. And what these anchors or these posts are working as are anchors or supports for the new towers that are coming up. This is the other one, and this is just our cap till we get the other cap so no water penetrates through there. All right, guys, this was a neat project working with AT&T. If you guys enjoyed it, give me some likes, give us some hearts, share, drop us a comment. See you guys on the next clip.